Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, let's see. So we have here the Chariot card and the Seven of Wands. The Ace of Wands and the Shadow side or the Devil. Three of Swords and the Fool. Four of Cups and the Six of Swords. Okay. Bottom card is the Star. So, meron tayong specific signs dito ng Cancer, Aquarius, Aries, Capricorn. Ayan. So, mukhang you are moving on from this person na who broke your heart. Maring yung mga signs na yon: Cancer, Aries, Capricorn, and Aquarius energy. Ayan. And, mukhang may nahihirapan mag-move on dito. Mukhang gusto pa rin mag-take ng risk to have a second chance with this person. Ayan, kahit pa sabihin natin na sobrang sakit yung ginawa niya, mga ganyan. So, parang may gusto pa rin na lunukin lahat, ang pride para lang hindi mawala. Parang gusto pa rin ng second chance with this person. Ayan. Oops. So, may mga mukhang gagawin ng lahat. Ayan, gagawin lahat para lang sa taong ito. Or pwede magkabaliktad, gagawin niyang lahat, pumalik ka lang sa kanya, mga ganyang bagay. Or mukhang, kung siya man ito, mukhang gagawin niya lahat, bumalik lang kayo sa dati, or pwedeng ikaw ang gustong bumalik kayo sa dati. So, depende na sa energies na masasagap nyo kung alin ang energy nyo. Tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. We have here the coins. So, meron kasing energy dito na third party situation. Kung twin flame ito, may karmic situation, karmic lesson na pinagdadaanan. So, we have here the clover, camera, CCC, and traffic lights, magnet, and candle. Ayan. Bottom card, teddy bear. So, kung children involved in this situation, mahirap to, no? Lalo na at kung nagkaroon siya ng partner at nagkaroon siya ng anak sa iba. Ayan. So, mahirap talaga, lalo na kung twin flame kayo, tapos natali siya sa karmic, nagkaanak pa siya sa karmic. Yun ang mas mahirap, no? Pero mukhang gusto niyang sumugal dito sa connection nyo. Maayos lang, makabalik lang siya, mga ganyan. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin. Kasi itong magnet na to talagang ina-attract siya pabalik sa iyo eh. With the traffic light, so kailangan ng right timing dito. Divine timing. And may mga underspell din akong nakikita dito. Ayan, may mga spells na ginawa para lang magkahiwalay siguro kayo. So, we have here crystal clear intentions by Archangel Michael. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. So, ayan, mukhang ibibigay naman itong hinahangad mo. So, tingnan natin. Basta mag-focus lang. Ayan, focus on your goals. Tingnan natin more messages natin dito. Kasi mukhang hindi naman niya ginusto na magkahiwalay kayo. Lalo na kung nagkahiwalay kayo dahil itong third party may ginawa siyang something na witchy spell, ganyan. Para magkahiwalay kayo. Pero kung nagising na itong taon to na wala na yung effect nun, ayan, kaya siya bumalik sa'yo. I have multiple opportunities. We're compatible to each other. I want to surprise you. Ayan, so mukhang surprise, visitation, or pupuntahan ka niya, sasabihin niya na they're over, ganyan, wala na yung third person, third party. So, we have here, can't sleep thinking of you all night long. Kasi simula nung magising siya sa siguro nawala na yung spell na yun, no? Talagang hindi siya makatulog eh. Hindi siya mapakali. Hangga't hindi kanya nakikita, nakakausap, naayos. We have here talking to you telepathically. I can't decide, powerful and discipline, and you're my destiny. Lalo na kung kayo yung destined to be. Ayan, so you're my inspiration. Bottom card. So, wala namang magagawa yun no, kung kayo talaga yung meant to be. Okay? So, mukhang childhood sweethearts din kayo for some of you. Nag-start to as puppy love, ganyan, with a teddy bear. Kung wala kayong anak, mari nag-start lang to as ganon, puppy love. So, we have here, I'm not available. I wish I could take back my words. So, for some of you, parang, pa to, hindi pa totally settled or hindi pa totally over yung relationship niya with the past person. I want you. I don't react when people mention you. I love you unconditionally. I couldn't let you get close to me. I left you before you could leave me and it's time for me to heal now. So, kailangan na mag-heal sa mga nangyaring ito. And I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, kuha tayo ng mga initials natin dito. Nag-flip ang letter K, X, M, letter A, B, letter E, Eva. Letter O, J, W, N, Z, V ang bottom card. Kuha tayo ng blue card natin. Celebration. Manipulation. So, may manipulation na nangyayari dyan. May manipulative person. Maring yung karmic, third party, ganyan. And guilty. Ayan. So, guilty siya. No, kahit pa sabihin natin na may ginawa yung taong yun, pero guilty pa rin siya. Mukhang alam naman niya rin yung mga nangyayari, pero mukhang wala siyang nagawa pa noon, or ayan, mukhang ngayon lang siya gagawa ng move para ayusin to. Ayan. After niya siguro magkaroon ng spiritual awakening. So, let's see general signs and the messages natin. Very serious. Funny. March. Number 8. 10. And completion ng mga cycles and smart. Athletic. Popular. High expectations. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo sign. Flower and a cold city. Amazing. Very loyal. Virgo, perfect smile. Kind-hearted. Nature lover, ex-lover. Runner card, Luzon. Aries, may mga plastic persons din. And intelligent, long distance, Libra, North PH, number 1 and the 1, and Aquarius. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.